know that trail hiking in Hendersonville, North Carolina is almost as easy as stepping out into your own backyard? Well, almost. Hi there, this is Brian Blair, a student in the digital media program at AB Tech, and I would like to take a few moments to talk to you about hiking at the Carl Sandburg National Historic Site in Flat Rock, North Carolina. Located just a few miles south of the courthouse in downtown Hendersonville, the Carl Sandburg National Historic Site is the preserved home site of Arthur Carl Sandburg, and a recreational hiking area as well. With 240 acres, the Carl Sandburg site was Carl's final home for the last 22 years of his life. It featured a working goat milk farm, his house, and lots of wilderness areas to explore as well. After his death, when the National Park Service took it over, trails were created or enhanced to allow access to many of the beautiful peaks and lookouts on the property. The hike to Big Glassy Mountain is only 1.5 miles long, but offers the casual hiker a fairly strenuous workout on the way to the top. Fantastic views of Hendersonville and also long-range views of Mount Pisgah. Trails are well maintained, easy to navigate, and mostly convenient. So the next time you're in Hendersonville and want to take a quick hike to get away from it all without having to drive a long distance just to get there, remember the Carl Sandburg National Historic Site. It's peaceful, beautiful, and most of all convenient. We'll see you on the trail.